Avoid that little one there. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure when looking at your chain, then I usually link it at the bottom. I'm not sure if you can link it at the top, congrats, but I link it at the bottom. So remember, when linking your chain at the bottom, the bend on this master should always be downwards. If you're linking it at the top, it must show upwards. If it's the other way around, you will struggle with that and it won't work properly. So remember, when it links the same way as your normal chain links or power links or power locks, whatever you want to call it, they do work the same. Let everything fall all the time. They work the same as that, but just remember, you need to let the bend of your link show. Let me just link this quickly. Alright guys, so when looking at your chain, the top, your bend will be to the top, and when looking at the bottom, your bend will be to the bottom. So yeah, super easy, just a quick little tip I'm sharing with you guys. Just remember, and yeah, you should be good to go. Alright guys, that little something I said I'll tell you guys about. Sorry for the noises, I've got my little one with me here today. I was actually moving the store yesterday. It was a Sunday. I'm going to talk quickly. See, the battery is going to die of the Canon again. Moving back and front between the two stores and sitting at my old desk, and this car stops here and a youngster gets out and he knocks on the window, and I'm like, oh, I don't have time for this. I need to finish the store. And I opened the door and I'm like, hi, how are you? And he's like, I'm not sure. I'm not going to say his name, but he knows who he is. If he's watching this video, dude, thanks. Put a comment down below and I'll write your name, or I'll tell your name in the next video. And he comes in and he's like, no, I saw on the one video you're drinking this energy drink and that chocolate that you like so much. So here it is. Thanks for the motivation in your videos. I'm not a super big cycling fanatic or anything, but I really enjoy your motivations. And I felt this whole just weight lifted off my shoulders, and I'm like, thanks dude. And he's out, gets in the car and he drives away. And I felt special. I mean, I didn't expect it. I was flabbergasted. I was speechless. And that brings me to the piece of motivation. I want to leave with you guys the motivation. Just do you. Be who you are. Do what you're doing and doing it as good as you can. Somewhere you will encourage others, and you might just inspire someone. And I must say that really made my day to know that my videos are being seen by people I don't even know yet. So I did really thank you for the little gift. I wasn't expecting that, but it blew me away. So yeah guys, be safe, be strong, don't change for anyone else, do things to the best of your abilities and do it for you, and most important, never say never.